Today we're baking bread pudding.
From scratch.
So, for this recipe, we're gonna need 5 eggs, a cup of sugar, 4 cups of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're also going to need a loaf of challah bread. And if you're interested on how to make that at home, we have a video that will be linked in the description, so make sure to go check that out if you haven't already. Our first step is going to be cutting up our challah bread into 1-inch cubes. So if your bread is a day old, skip this part. But if your bread is fresh, what you're going to want to do is put it onto a baking pan and put it into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees, so that way it'll dry out and it can absorb the sauce goodly. So our bread is nice and dry, so what we're going to do is we're going to grease our 9 by 13 inch pan. Once you've greased it, grab your dry bread and put it into an even layer. Once you've got the pan greased up, take your dry bread and layer it evenly into our baking pan. After that, just mix together all of your ingredients. Once you've got everything mixed together, pour it onto the bread. So now we're just gonna let it soak in for about 15 minutes and then we'll pop it into the oven. So you should go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. So now we're going to put it into the oven for 45 minutes. Alright, so it came out the oven and it's looking really nice. So now we're just gonna let it cool down a little bit and then we'll be able to try it. That's all I have for you today. If you try this recipe at home, I hope you liked it as much as I did. Goodbye.
Mind if I put my water down?